We've gone over the anatomy of all this stuff and how it connects to circulation. We're now going to finally get to our first step in this process, which is pulmonary ventilation. And the process of ventilation, which I told you in the first video, is inspiration and expiration. So let's look at each of these processes. It's going to be related to changes in volume. I'm going to do this, what might feel like a little bit redundant. We're going to go over the basic, what happens, then get into these terms of pressure, volume changes, and then go back to this big picture again. So first I want you to have this make sense. If you want air to go in to the lungs, which is what happens during inspiration, you need to make the thoracic cavity larger. That's going to allow airflow in. So what happens during inspiration is the muscles involved in respiration contract. So the external intercostals and the diaphragm are going to contract. That's going to increase the volume of the thoracic cavity, move the rib cage up and the diaphragm down. It's going to create more space. When thoracic cavity volume increases, air can flow into the body. And this just happens kind of at resting breath. For a large inhalation, during exercise or a forced inhalation, there are other neck muscles, scalene muscles that contribute to that force as well. So this can be made even more of dramatic volume change. For exhalation, so expiration, the muscles relax again. The external intercostals relax and the diaphragm relaxes. The diaphragm moves up to its dome shape when it's relaxed. When it was contracted, it was like this. This is our contracted diaphragm. This is here our relaxed. That dome shape, as well as the relaxation of those external intercostals in between the ribs, those relaxing is going to decrease thoracic cavity volume and force air out of lungs. This happens just at quiet inspiration and expiration, but during exercise, you can increase this volume change with other abdominal muscles for one, that increase that volume, decrease to increase the air that's leaving the lungs.